Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to write text messages using your S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. Let's get started. And first up, we need to open settings. Here we need to search for the General Management tab, and after that select the keyboard list and default. And make sure that in the default keyboard is set Samsung keyboard. Now after that we can just open Messages application. Choose Chat with a friend. Now at this point you need to take out your S Pen if you haven't done it yet. And now we can here just draw something and it will be transformed to a text. And here is how it will look. It will work with numbers as well. You just need to draw it and it will be transformed to text. Here you can use arrows, you can use this keyboard and it will be as a floating keyboard. Or you can always use your finger to edit some information. So let's just type in something and here select SMS. And here is how it looks. So easy is that. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.